So this is the large double rod. This is the one I use in some of my pond experiments on the farm. I've got one swimming pond that's maybe 10,000 gallons or so. And this is rated for about 20 to 30,000 gallons of water. I put this into my pond. It's just a little swimming hole we made. And for a whole summer, super hot summer, this kept the water like unbelievably clean. I think we'll be posting some videos on the website, but just super, super clear. And this is also what we use in our big dugout on the farm that waters our homes and our livestock all season round. We got about 5 or 6 of them in there. And again, a pond, I'll show some video at some point here, but I go right to the edge of my pond and drink with my hands. The raw water is perfectly clean. It's amazing what adding life instead of death to your pond can do. People using all kinds of algicide and pH buffering, and they'll put enzymes in there. And you know, the enzymes work, but the question is, you know, why don't you have a proper biology in your pond that's facilitating all of that clarification naturally? And you know, people say, well, it's a man-made pond, and then you know, but what does that mean? Why do we seem to have some understanding that a man-made pond is going to go sour or stinky or muddy or algae bloom? You know, but if we go to a mountain lake, we kind of expect it to be crystal clear. And it's about the life. When you're at the top of the mountain, there's so much energy and life there. Especially glacial melt is extremely highly structured water. And so you end up with so much life in the water that it just, all that bacteria just eats everything. It just cleans everything up. And but in a man-made pond, there's no energy in, there's no brook, there's no stream, there's no movement. And without that movement, without that life, without that vitality, the water just kind of decays. And it no longer can support the kind of biology that will clean it up. And so, yeah, if you got pond problems, you'll have to be patient. But if you put life back in your pond, you'll be amazed at what starts happening. Your biology just gets to work on all that mud on the bottom of your pond. And instead of having all that waste settling to the bottom with nothing able to eat it, suddenly the structure of your water comes back to life. It's carrying more oxygen that's available to the microbiology. The microbiology comes to life and it starts eating that, and then some other little creature eats the bacteria and some other little creature eats that. And you'll get your way up the food chain to fish. And then, you know, the fish are pooping, and then it starts all over again. But you need something to actually restart that ecosystem, because otherwise it just keeps accumulating because you don't have those links in your food web. So grander water makes a difference. We've been using it here on the farm for 25 years. It's amazing stuff.